Hey guys, Don here from RPM Steering and Suspension. Today we're going to do a little bit of a product introduction to our aluminum sway links that we offer. These come in for the JK, the JL, and the JT in different sizes for your lift, etc. And we're using our aluminum 7075 T6 that we use on our steering and our control arms, etc. with Heim joints at the end. These are set up in various lengths for you. You get various lift height choices on the website. The rears are going to be the inch material, front's going to be an 1.25 inch material on the JLs. We also make these in custom lengths. So let's say you have anti-rocks front and rear and the bar pins are bent, or you want to get rid of those bar pins and put something a little more sturdy on there. We can make these in any length you need. We've done up to 24 inches, I believe, for a race car that had anti-rocks on it. So we can set them up in whatever configuration you need. On the Jeep kits, they come with the hardware that'll bolt them all on as well. So everything's grade 8 hardware, spacers, everything needed to set these up on your Jeep and make them function on there. They can be found under the suspension tabs at rpmsteering.com, or you can call us anytime.